Imagine a world where machines think, factories operate themselves, and technology seamlessly integrates into our daily lives. Welcome to Industry 4.0. But how did we get here? Let's take a journey through time to uncover the four industrial revolutions that shaped the world. The first industrial revolution, 1760 to 1840. It all began in the late 18th century with a groundbreaking invention, the steam engine. For the first time, machines powered production. Textile factories sprang up, industries grew, and jobs were created. Work that once took days now took only hours. The world would never be the same again. The Second Industrial Revolution, 1870 to 1914. Fast forward a few decades and electricity changed everything. Factories became more efficient, and the invention of the internal combustion engine led to automobiles and mass production. This was the era of Henry Ford's assembly line, making production faster and cheaper than ever before. The modern consumer economy was born. The Third Industrial Revolution, 1969 to 2000. The Third Industrial Revolution transformed industries with robotics and digital technology. Then came the digital age, the rise of computers, automation, and the internet. Machines now handle repetitive tasks, boosting productivity, but it also sparked concerns about job losses. To survive, workers had to adapt, upskill, and embrace technology. The Fourth Industrial Revolution, Industry 4.0, present day. Welcome to Industry 4.0, where the physical and digital worlds merge. Artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, IoT, and big data are reshaping industries. Machines now talk to each other, factories operate with minimal human intervention, and data-driven decisions power everything from smart homes to self-driving cars. But what comes next? Industry 5.0 is already on the horizon. Unlike Industry 4.0's focus on automation, the next revolution is all about bringing humans back into the equation. Machines enable work alongside humans, enhancing creativity rather than replacing jobs. More human-centered workplaces, collaboration between AI and people, new jobs requiring creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. The goal? A future where technology amplifies human potential, not replaces it. From steam engines to artificial intelligence, industry has come a long way. As we move towards Industry 5.0, one thing is certain: the future belongs to those who embrace change, innovate, and keep learning. Stay curious. Stay prepared. The next revolution is already here.